Hi, boys and girls. Engineer Warren here, and I'm back with another book to read for Tots and Trains from the Minnesota Transportation Museum. I hope you like it. Why don't we go ahead and get started with our book, Where Do Steam Trains Sleep at Night? Where do steam trains sleep at night after puffing down the tracks? Do their moms steam up hot cocoa for their just for bedtime snacks? Where do snowplow trains sleep after all the tracks are clear? Do their moms say, "Plow your toys, kids, bedtime's almost here"? Ooh, the mouse has got a penguin. Where do passenger trains sleep once they've dropped off girls and boys? Do they fill their seats with teddy bears and cuddly bedtime toys? Those look like buffalo. Where do freight trains sleep at night when cargo's reached its destination? Do they rest on Daddy's flatbed as he chugs home to the station? Where do monorails sleep once their one-track trips are done? Do they sway to sleep on sky-high tracks beneath the setting sun? Ooh, palm trees, it looks warm. Where do fire trains sleep when they're heroes of the hour? Do dads hose them down with water for a special bedtime shower? That looks like fun. Where do high-speed trains sleep after a day of crazy speeding? Do train moms try to calm them down with sleepy bedtime reading? That looks like a crane. Where do breakdown trains sleep once they've put engines back on rails? Do their dads rock them off to sleep with thrilling rescue tales? And where do trolleys sleep at night after shuttling through the streets? Do mama trolleys ring their train bells for a lullaby, soft and sweet? Where do subway trains sleep once they've reached their final stop? Does the street become their blanket, a quilt of city lights on top? Do trains gather in a roundhouse, or a freight yard, or a shed? They don't sleep atop a mattress. The tracks become their bed. But they have special blankie and oh so bright light night. They sleep beneath the crescent moon and a sky of stars so bright. Where do your trains sleep at night when you've drifted off to dreamland? Well, maybe all your choo-choos are fast asleep in steamland. Now I'm getting sleepy. Time for bed. But don't forget, we're waiting for you to ride one of our trains at the Minnesota Transportation Museum. We have our trains to ride up at Osceola, Wisconsin, where we have lots of trains getting ready for you to ride on special trips. And don't forget Tots and Trains and our museum in St. Paul, the Jackson Street Roundhouse. We'll see you again real soon. Thanks for watching. From Engineer Warren. Bye-bye.